Are you tired of losing mixer beaters or making a mess while baking? The Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is here to change that. This reliable mixer is Amazon's choice, with over 20,000 sold in just the past month. With a price of $27.95 and free return options, it's both accessible and convenient. Now, let's dive into what makes this mixer special. First, it includes a unique snap-on storage case. This keeps your 2 beaters and whisk neatly organized, so you'll never lose them again. Next, it features 6 speed options, plus a quick burst button. Whether you're mixing cookie dough or whipping cream, you'll have power at your fingertips. The included dishwasher safe beaters and whisk make cleanup a breeze. Just press the speed dial to eject the attachments, and your hands stay clean. Boasting a 250-watt peak power motor, this mixer handles all your mixing tasks effortlessly. And the bowl rest feature keeps it stable on the edge of your bowl. No more drips on your countertop. Customers love it, reporting fewer returns than similar products. It's everything you need for hassle-free mixing. So, what are you waiting for? Order your Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer today. Fast delivery is available across all 50 U.S. states. Please check the product link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support helps us bring more great content every week. Thank you for being with us.